Hello guys, if your internet connection is slower than the speed that your ISP offered, we got a solution for you. No need to worry. Here I am getting 48 Mbps on my connection. It is a Wi-Fi connection. I am getting only 48 Mbps. My actual speed offered by the ISP, Internet Service Provider, is 100 Mbps. Let's go to the solution. First of all, we need to open Windows PowerShell admin or command prompt admin. Then we need to run this command, copy paste. I will mention this command in the description box so that you can easily copy paste. First copy paste this command and hit enter. It will say OK. Then we need to run this command. Okay, it is Windows scaling option is if the Windows scaling option is disabled, you don't have to do anything. If it is showing enabled, we need to disable that. For that, simply copy paste this command and hit enter. Okay. Next step we need to do is right click Windows button, then click Device Manager, expand Network Adapters section. There you can see your wireless adapter. Wireless adapter will be showing 802.11 in its name. That indicates it is a Wi-Fi standard adapter. If it is a Ethernet adapter, it will be showing GBE with the adapter's name. Here it is Realtek wireless LAN 802.11 AC adapter. 11 AC is the wireless standard. 802.11 AC is the wireless standard. So identify your wireless adapter in network adapters section, then right click on it, then click uninstall device, then click uninstall. If you see remove driver software option here in this area, just simply tick that option, then click uninstall, then restart your computer. Okay, I'll be right back after restarting my computer. Okay, we are back after restarting the laptop. We need after restarting, we will have to connect the Wi-Fi network, entering the password again. The password will be removed after uninstalling the adapter. Okay, now let's check the speed. Going to fast.com. See, I was getting only 50 Mbps previously before doing the steps. Now I am getting 98 Mbps. So that is the speed offered by the ISP. Previously I was getting half of this. Hope this video helps you to fix your internet speed issue. Thank you.